तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल.
There is a story on a picture in which it's a rural kind of a setting, and one male is shown having some kind of an argument with a lady, and one young lady or girl is shown in the background. I hope you are able to recollect this picture. So here are two stories on this picture, and I will tell you what things are not okay with these stories. So first story I'll read out. Shubham's sister graduated recently and wanted to work. His parents, being from an agricultural background, wanted her to work at the field and get married as soon as possible. She told Shubham what they wanted. This made Shubham angry. He came back to his home and met the parents. He explained to them how much more she could help the family if they would let her work in a place of her own choice rather than the field. He also explained to them that it would make her also feel more comfortable and would give her more exposure to the outside world. He told his parents that while she worked in the town, she could stay with him, and that would make them feel that she is safe too. Later, he found that a lot of other girls in the area were also unable to work because of similar reasons. He took the help of the village panchayat and organized a meeting with all of them. There he explained to the rest of the people the importance of having financial independence and the number of opportunities they could miss. Although in the beginning other people of the village were a bit skeptical, later when they saw how well Shubham's sister was doing, they agreed on sending their daughters to work too. Now, this is a story of overreach. A parallel you can get कि जो है एक एक सनी लियोनी का डांस डालो पिक्चर में या सलमान खान को शर्ट उतार के फाइट करवाओ, तो ये टाइप की स्टोरी है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन व्हाई. सिंपल अगर स्टोरी है तो शुभम की सिस्टर को पढ़ा लिखा के तरक्की करानी थी. दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम. And if Shubham had resolved that completely and his sister was successful, that would have been an adequate story. अब ये फालतू मसाला आपने डाला है कि मैं सेलेक्ट नहीं हो रहा हूं, मुझे किसी तरह सेलेक्ट कर लो. तो शुभम जो है कूद पड़ा, पूरे उसने पंचायत बुला ली और सबको उसने रिजॉल्व कर दिया देश को. जो कि हिंदुस्तान में विमेन एम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर हमारी मिनिस्ट्रीज और सरकारी विभाग, चीफ मिनिस्टर और प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब करा नहीं पा रहे हैं, पर शुभम ने करा दिया ये सब कुछ. फाइन. सो प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू डू दीज थिंग्स. डोंट गो ओवरबोर्ड लाइक दैट. लाइक लॉन्ग बैक आई रिमेंबर एक कुछ स्टोरी लिखते थे कि रोड में एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, तो जिसने बंदे ने एक्सीडेंट देखा वो 10-12 टाइम रिपीटर जो होते हैं, तो वो कहते हैं कि अब जो है मैंने वहां पे लाइट लगवा दी, स्पीड ब्रेकर लगवा दिए कि अब दुनिया में कहीं एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, यहां नहीं हो सकता एक्सीडेंट. And I had said कि गडकरी has not been able to reduce the number of accidents, पर एक जो था ये ट्रैफिक पुलिस वाला जो था, इसने करा दिए सारे एक्सीडेंट, रुकवा दिए. तो प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू डू दीज थिंग्स. Anyone has got any questions on this story and the point that I have given?
Sir, I would like to say that in that story I have written that he was a district litigator and he was a lawyer, practicing lawyer. So when he was approached by girls who were complaining about this unusual practice or the admission system in the district, so he helped the girls to get admission in this college, and he just noted the authorities that some kind of unfair practice was going on.
You think that any kid or anyone living anywhere in India does not know this problem of women employment and how the society in India works?
They know, sir, definitely.
So you think this guy would have been able to resolve this problem?
Sir, I'm saying that he noted to the authorities that this kind of problem is happening.
See, if you feel that you have written absolutely right, I have got no arguments at all. I often say I have got no connection with God. I'm a very, very average and ordinary person. But this is my view about this story. And I have never told as to who has written this story.
Sure, sir, sure.
This is the point I'm trying to make. Is there anyone else who feels that this story is okay and is not going overboard?
Sir, there is a query. I want to know that, sir, when I was having a individual session with you, you told there was some similar SRT, and you told me that we have to take the opinion of the girl involved. In this case, the sister, you have to take her opinion at what she want to do. So I guess we should mention that in the story.
No, in this story, that mention may not be warranted because it is quite normal to expect that this elder brother would be knowing as to what the sister wants to do. तो इसमें तो उसने लिखा है ना कि उसने कंप्लेन किया.
Yes.
तो लिखा है ना she wanted to work.
Okay, sir.
So that this boy knew. So that is not the issue. My issue is with this going to the panchayat level and all that, you know. That is where I got the issue. कि इसने कहा मैं दुनिया को ही रिजॉल्व कर दूंगा. चलो दुनिया को नहीं, पहले गांव को कर दूंगा, फिर देश को करूंगा, फिर दुनिया को करूंगा. Don't get into that. It is not required. Don't do it. Then you get into the realm of impractical stuff. अपने घर का बहन की नौकरी करा दे, उसको पढ़ाई लिखाई ठीक करा दे, that would be good enough. I hope you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is very fine. Now another one on the same picture, another story. Satish was in a huge dilemma. His mother was constantly worried about him and his sister. Satish was the eldest earning member in the family. After the sudden demise of his father, he was making good enough money to support his sister's education and help out with the family expenses. His mother, on the other hand, was constantly worried about his sister's marriage. Satish's sister was pursuing her degree in computer science engineering from a reputed college. She was an excellent student and was in line to get a good job. Satish tried his best to make sure she gets all the help she needs. But his mother never understood this and was hell-bent upon getting her married. She pleaded to Satish to look for a suitable groom for her. Satish snapped at his mother for constantly bringing up this topic, but later on he explained to her the importance of an education and why it was necessary for women to work as well. He promised her that when the time was right, he would speak to his sister about marriage as well. This is where the story has ended. So this person who has written, he has interpreted the scene very well. But his focus has remained on describing the scene only in detail, and he has not come up with a proper story. A proper story would have been that he convinced his mother, and then this girl finished her education, got a good job, and then everybody was happy in the family. Fine. So once again, I have quoted earlier also such stories where people just write about, describing as to what is happening in the scene, and thereafter don't take it ahead. This is an example of that kind of a story. So this is also not okay. Anyone has got any questions on this one?
So my question was that do we need to include all of these characters, or we can take one or maybe two characters and then frame a story? Because if they are pretty visible, right, like in this picture also, sir, where mother and wife or sister was pretty visible, that yes, she needs to be included in the picture. So what should be the approach, sir, if there are 3-4 characters and they are pretty visible?
See, it will depend on the context of the picture, how the things are. It is possible that, let us say, if you are shown a group of students who are doing some activity, then the entire group does get involved. But if you are shown a scene, let us say, I'm just hypothetically creating, that there is a business owner and an employee. He has come and they are speaking to each other, and meanwhile you are shown one secretary of the boss who is sitting nearby, and there is one person who has come to serve tea. So in this kind of picture, if you include the secretary and the person who has come to serve tea, you will not be able to make a proper story, because the story would have to revolve around the main two persons, the employer and this main employee, who are sitting across each other. Will it be possible for you to include the secretary and the person who is serving tea also in the story?
No, sir.
So that is what it is. So you have to, all the time, you have to keep using your common sense. And I cannot legislate to you about common sense, which each one of you is supposed to have. And actually, by your interpretation of the pictures and your stories, your common sense gets very well revealed. Okay, this person has asked a very minor question in my view. It is okay to write stuff like he snapped and he was angry. There is just no problem at all.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Yash, go ahead.
Sir, can we have like two heroes in a story? Like
No, don't make Sholay ki story Jay or Viru. No. No double roles.
Okay, sir.
Butch Cassidy and Sundance Kid. No, only one. Time is not there
Fine, sir.
to make a multi-starrer. हम साथ साथ हैं. हम साथ साथ हैं बनी भी 3.5 घंटे की थी ना पिक्चर. तुम्हारे पास 4 मिनट है.